Guys, I appreciate everybody who got up in there and bought a sticker, and anybody who's in the merch shop last month. The winner's here. We got the Raptor Hybrid. We're about to give it to them. Check it out. Be sure and get up in there. Give us a follow. Share to your friends. We got a lot more coming.
Shout out all the racing for the front end on this thing. +3, +1, dual front Aeons and brake line kit. This thing handles a lot better now. Corners a lot better. It just feels safer. Oh yeah. A lot more playing into the ground, guys. Equals safer. And it looks better. Pretty much used a lot of Alba on this. They hooked us up with that front end, but I was already eyeing it, you know what I mean? I was gonna buy it if I had to. You guys get up in there, be sure and support them. Give us a follow on the channel. The Odyssey's picking this up in the morning, so I'll get you guys a video. Should have us a nice happy winter. Josh, right?
Yeah.
All right, we met about 10 minutes ago. He ain't seen the quad yet, and he's got a sweet YouTube channel I want you guys to check out, so we'll let you peep that in a minute. I want to get his reaction to riding this more than see it.
Because I probably won't be too excited. I could probably win the lottery, and I'd be like, cool.
Because everybody knows, it's built by a couple hicks, so. Where at New York?
Kind of between Rochester and Buffalo, out in the States.
I got you another tire right here. Too bad, man. For $25, I don't think.
Yeah, really, right?
I feel bad for a lot of them.
I feel bad for Justin.
Yeah. That's twice now, Justin.
Yeah, I just happened to jump on, and I saw your video, I think, when you had like 100, or like one sack left or something like that. I was like, oh, geez, I wonder if there's any there. So I just jumped over to grab one, and that's it.
Did you get your sticker yet?
It might be in the mailbox. I check it like once every week. So.
Oh, gotcha.
Alright, so my channel, I don't know, my channel is just, I screw around with almost anything in the motor or something that needs to be fixed. I try to put it towards the ATVs, power sports, and whatnot. I got some cool builds like a CR500 aluminum frame bike that I'm doing, YFC 450 with a Banshee engine on it that I just picked up that I'll be going through this next year and whatnot. Check me out, subscribe if you like it, or tell me to screw off if you don't.
Hey, a lot of you guys have asked me to do a YFC Banshee build, so check his out.
You got some Banshees too, don't you, or something? Or maybe you had them?
I have had some, yeah.
Yeah.
No, I'm not a big fan of selling those things, man.
No.
I like working on them and riding them, but I hate selling them. Then you want to get your helmet? Do you have one with you?
I do.
Cool. But the ones facing down have lock nuts on.
I think it's hilarious. And, just kind of waiting for it to stop hurting. It still hurts. I'm going around the corner, I look down, my foot's just flopping all over the place. The year before that, I had broken both legs on my YFC 250.
Oh my goodness.
That was the only time I ever broke bones.
Broke 2 legs 2 years in a row, or a leg 2 years?
So 2 legs in 2006, and then 2000. I bought the Raptor to rehabilitate myself. Give me an excuse to get out there and actually, Yeah.
Stretch my leg with?
Yeah, I figured it would help me get a little bit more active again.
It's a pop-off wheel.
Huh?
You said it's a pop-off wheel, but it's up around.
Yeah. Nice easy one.
Yes. You can feel the vibration though, right?
Oh.
Really? Damn, it did it to me. You don't mind riding it, that's for sure.
sure do ride the hell out of it.
I thought about just like getting on it and just putting around like I didn't know what I was doing.
Oh, and then faking us out? Faking us out? Wow. Looks like it went to the right person. So, what's your plans with it? Do you have any plans?
I don't know. I'm gonna beat on it. No?
Oh, gotcha.
To be honest, I've got like I said, I have a lot of toys, so finding time to enjoy them is
The rough part.
be
Yeah.
tough too. Actually, what it'll probably work out nicely for is let friends ride too.
There you go.
Got a lot of friends that might be down the machine or something like that.
Oh yeah,
So,
just let them jump on.
gives us the opportunity to go out. And I don't really worry about too much because I really don't got nothing invested.
No, yeah, it makes sense. It makes all the sense in the world. So you said the Raptor 700 would beat this? It's pretty fast.
If you really don't think so, we can bet. That's your plug. But I think you know. I think you know. You've ridden them both. I think you know for sure. Yeah, this thing though, once you're in the power band and shifting, it's really deceptive because just riding it feels so impossible that it feels super fast. But me and him pulled around the other day, dude. I'd let him go first. I couldn't even get a video where this would stay ahead.
No.
Like we're trying to come around the corner and like I let him go at the same time. As soon as I'm on it, dude, just reeling.
Just
Just
you got so much low end there.
Oh yeah.
The only way you can possibly do it is this thing's got to stay on the tight.
Somebody's got to ride the hell out of that and probably weigh about 120. He was real close.
Just like need to get going, and when I pass you, you can start.
Yeah, that was. Yeah, the 700 also gets traction like no other machine.
What's done to your 700?
Oh, you can check it out if you want, man. I got just a pipe and intake and power commander. Yeah, I wanted to do the cam, but I like so I never ride it like that. You have to ride one on the throttle. This thing I'll be wide on the throttle where I'm seeing it in short bursts, and it looks like the cam is taking away
Still
bottom.
very trailer. I love the one stage 2, and it definitely broke it up a little bit. Not that it was how to begin with. Even with the big 3, I went up to the front.
When you did the cam, I noticed they all come with the timer chain. You got to swap the timer. Is it off the gear maker?
I didn't know what
Did okay. So maybe they're just coming with them telling you which replace them. They're the same length the timer chain that you started with.
Yeah. It's the stock one. Now, being a different year though, again, like 07, I don't know if there's something else that's out there.
Because the cam's only like $175 for the stage 2 or 3. But I just didn't want to get it and lose a little bit of bottom end torque to gain top end power, which I'm not using. But yeah, I think it's already in my
That's why I didn't go with stage 3. I felt
So
like,
that's maybe the difference.
I felt like stage 2 would be a better fit, a little bit more like how you're talking right now.
I made those stickers too. So, by the way, I made the stickers on the. He says it looks like. What did you say the YZ looks like? It looks like a New York Giant. The Z. The Z looks like the.
Oh yeah, like a straight up
The logo.
off of the New York Giants logo too.
You're from New York. There you go. Are you a fan of them?
No,
New
I
York.
don't watch any sports whatsoever.
Oh, you don't? Not even football? No.
I wouldn't either if I lived in New York.
Like, I watch maybe the Super
The Odyssey came and picked up his quad. Josh, do you go by Josh or the Odyssey on Josh? They don't even want. I wasn't even supposed to say Josh. Josh come picked up his quad. The Odyssey did. You guys check out his channel. We got it in a link in the description, and we're gonna put it at the end of this video, so you can just click on there. Lots of 2-stroke stuff, dude. Lots of, from what I've seen, a lot of stuff like what we do over here. So you guys give it a check out. He's from New York, so don't hold that against him. And he's gonna take this quad back and make some videos with it, I hope. Send us an update down the road. You need to get your worst riding friend, play a little game of consequences with him. Okay. And just loosen up. I only did that to make sure you did that.
Yeah?
I wanted to make sure you knew how to pull the clutch in and shut her down. I couldn't send you down the road knowing, the tire could fall off. I gotta know what's gonna happen. The tire falls off.
He knows I'm safe now.
Make sure, yeah, now I know he's okay. He rode the hell out of it. I'll give him that. So he did ride it. And I really feel like it went to the right guy because a lot of people, they get real timid around stuff like this. They will all, and he came and got it from New York too. So I'll give him props for that. That's a long drive. Apparently he doesn't have AC. He ain't looked up his world history, or he'd have known Texas was gonna be hot this time of year.
I'm just overly optimistic, and I think everything's gonna be fine. It wasn't.
There's no way, dude. Any other day, more the sun's usually. Remember a minute ago, 15 miles over there, and now the clouds are actually in front of the sun. So hopefully, on your way home, man, that would help a lot.
Yeah.
If there's some cloud covers, or it'll just make it real humid. You know, it could rain and still be 100. Well, guys, be sure and check out his channel. This should be on there pretty soon, I imagine, and lots of other stuff. A lot of people have asked me. Here's one. A lot of people have asked me to build a YFZ Banshee. And I think he bought one and is going through it now.
Yeah,
So.
I bought one, so I didn't build it, but there's still a lot of work to do. So right now, I'm gonna enjoy it for the summer, but over the winter, I'm gonna go stupid. So the motor's gonna be open, and either 421 or what are they gonna do, 468, something like that. The thing is, once I'm already into it for too much money, why not go further?
Yeah.
So you know, I want to make something that's just.
Have you ridden it before?
Yeah.
So is it smooth? Is it better than the Banshee?
I do like how low that it is,
But it don't just blast the rear end around.
But no, it
does.
does.
That's cool.
It rips for sure, man. But it's got no low end whatsoever. So at the moment, I am just on the clutch just to keep that thing sounding good. This is that. Like if I
They probably got that.
if I didn't use the clutch on that thing,
Check it out, the Odyssey. And hey, is there another way to find? We're gonna put the links there. If somebody's searching for your channel, is there some other terms, man? Because if you look up the Odyssey, now,
you're not getting that. You're getting
it
over.
Yeah.
took me a while to find it.
It's tough. But if you just go to youtube.com/
The Odyssey.
at the.odyssey, then you'll find it.
Cool.
Okay, cool.
And you can find it in the link in the description. So.
I think that's how it works.
Yeah, well, it took us a minute to find, and it was like that for us for a long time.
I
see it, so you can-
People search up YFZ 450 Banshee. Video on it yet?
I do, but there's others out there too. The easiest one to find me is, I don't even want to say it. You edit this out. It's a Dell G15 RAM upgrade.
Oh, gotcha. That RAM upgrade's basically just getting it to go down the road.
Yeah.
That's the kit. That's the 100-mile kit. You get about 100 miles out of it.
Yeah. You need that. You definitely need that.